branch addressing. So means it is branch equal. We are talking about now branch instructions. So we already discussed about branch equal, branch not equal. So all the branch will be in this category. And suppose this program is executing and then it has this sequence. Suppose this is the address and here it's mentioned branch equal. There are two registers, they are comparing, and then it will jump to this label. Okay, whenever it will jump to this label, if suppose equal, then it will reach to this address and then it will perform whatever the instruction is there. Okay, so now we are discussing, we are going to calculate that how the assembler will know that where is the address of this L1, how it will do this calculation. So this calculation will be done based on this PC relative addressing. This is the formula for this, which you should know. So what is the formula? Formula is target address equal PC means program counter, plus offset into 4. So what is the PC? I already discussed last week. PC is called program counter, and PC always store the address of the next instruction. So we were discussing about this instruction, right? So tell me, what is the address of the next instruction which the PC will hold? This is currently, right? We are discussing. So what the PC will hold? Hello? Hello, girls. Are you with me? Are you listening?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. So tell me, what PC is holding? PC is always having the address of next instruction. And you know that all instruction will be increased by 444, right? So we are here at 100. So tell me what the PC will hold.
A
Which ad
104.
Yes, 104 means the address of next instruction. Clear to everyone, girls?
Yes, miss.
Yes. So now we want to know the value for this L1, this offset value we want to calculate. So if I want to calculate this offset value, then what is the formula? Target addressing. Target addressing means 500. So I will write 500 equal. Then PC. What is PC holding? 104. So I wrote 104. Plus offset is L1 into 4. So what I will do? First I will perform the subtraction. So 500 minus 104 divide by 4. So I am getting L1. Clear now? Hello?
Clear.
Yes, so assembler will do these things. And girls, so whenever there is a branch instruction, so then we will use this PC relative addressing, this formula which you should remember. Okay, so this is only for the branch instruction. Now I will explain the formula for the jump instruction. Okay, so for the jump instruction, I have this. So what the jump instruction has, it's mentioned that 4 digit is fixed, which is called 31 to 28. It is called append, and this is fixed means it is added. It is not like addition. It is just extend with this. Okay, suppose I have the 27 digits, then 28 digits, then I will add 4 digit here. So that is called this 4 digit for the PC, which is most of the time it always be 0 in jump command. Okay, so if I have jump instruction, then this is the formula to calculate. So what is the formula? Target addressing equal the append address into 4. So this is the formula. Okay, so now let's start. Suppose this is the instruction we have. So if I have this instruction, it is 100 and jump and then L2, right? So I want to calculate the value for this offset L2, and I know the target. How much is the target is 600. So this 600 I will write here, and then we have append I wrote here, and then I have address means offset, I want to calculate L2 into 4. So how I will calculate? L2 is equals to 600 upon 4. So we are getting this value 150. So this formula is only for jump instruction. Clear now? Hello? It's clear or not? Hello? Girls, it's clear or not? Otherwise, I will explain or I will move to the next. Clear, girls?
Yes, Miss, clear.
Okay. So now the same thing we are representing here, that if there is a branch equal or branch not equal, we have 16-bit immediate, then there will be the sign extension. Then for the PC for 4, there is a 2-digit which represent here. But for J, we have 26-bit, 4-bit for the PC as I already explained here, and then 2 bits here. So that becomes the 32-bit PC. Even here becomes the 32-bit. So basically we were having like 16-bit, but definitely it will become 32. Even here it's 26 immediate, it will become 32 in both. So now we are going to solve this question. So we will use the same concept which we already learned for branch equal, branch not equal, and for jump, right? So suppose they have given this, and some of the, so this is the question is given to you, and some of the field is blank. Means you have to calculate the value here, and you have to calculate the value here. As you know that the instruction is executing, and we know that the bit will be total 32 bit data, right? Okay, so if SLL here, so this is shift logical left, this is 32 bit, this is 32 bit addition, then load, then we have branch not equal. So what is this branch not equal? Tell me, it is R type or it is J type or it is I type? Tell me, the branch not equal or branch equal, it is I format, J format, or R format?
I.
I. And for branch, which formula we will have to calculate PC relative addressing? We have this formula, right?
Yes.
Target address equal PC plus offset into 4. So we will use, because it is I format, and for I format we have this formula. So we are going to use now this formula. Target address is equal to PC plus offset into 4. So let's calculate the value. So here, target address means we are talking about this, right? So they mention here, what is the target? Check. What is the target? Can you see? From here
24.
to here. What is the target here, girls?
80024.
24. So this is the target equal. Target equal, then PC. What is the PC? So we are talking about this instruction. So this instruction is executing now, right? But the PC is holding the address of what? I already explained. PC is holding the address of hmm? PC is
Next
holding the
address.
address of.
Next address.
Very good. Next instruction means PC will hold 12 or 16. Tell me. I didn't hear you, girls.
16.
16, very good. Yes. So PC is having 80016. PC plus offset means this value I need to calculate. So offset into 4. So what I will do here? So 24 minus 16 becomes 8, and 8 upon 4 becomes 2. So my answer is here what? 2. Clear now?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now I need to calculate the address here, this for the jump loop. For jump. So jump, it is which type? R type, J type, or I type?
J.
J type. So I am talking about this. And for jump, if I want to find the value here, for jump, what is the target? Could you see? They indicate some target here. So what is the target? We want to
80,000.
calculate. Yes, 80,000. So the target is 80,000. Then it was representing what? 4 digit for the append. So 4 digit, but there is nothing, we should not do anything with that. Into, and then append, and then we have offset into 4. So I want to calculate this offset, right? So offset will be what now? 80,000 upon 4. This 4 will be here. So tell me what will be my answer now? 2, 0, 20,000. It's clear to you or not? It's clear to you or not?
Yes, clear.
Anyone has doubt? Okay, if it's clear, that's good. So this type of question we can ask you, like we can remove anything and then you need to check which type of instruction, what is the offset, what is the PC, all these things, and then you need to find out the missing values. Now, it is the same revision summary. So if I have immediate addressing, so definitely we will have this type of things, and we have constant, and then this is the immediate. If we have register addressing, so we have 3 register, each will have the 5 bits. So we already know about it. Base addressing, so we discuss about the base addressing for the load word, load byte. So for this we need to store the offset here, so this is for that. Then we have PC relative addressing, which we already did, that we should know the PC value program counter, and then we have to do that. And after that, this is for the jump, which we already done, that how to do that. And here they mention here, look here, they are doing addition, but here what are they doing? Append, means it is just we added the extra 4 digit. There is no need to do perform the addition here. So this is just a summary, whatever we did already. The same thing is there, no need to discuss. So this is the homework, you need to do it and then submit. I will create the link, that's it. So this chapter is over, alhamdulillah. I already shared the topic which I need to cover now. So ALU, so I will explain now ALU.